We need more harnesses on belt 3.
Send the forklift back for the reinforced crates. Is the belt aligned correctly?
Yes, alignment is good. Starting the flow now.
We need to adjust the scanner sensitivity for the next shipment. The robotics are slightly off on the third pallet.
I see it. I'll recalibrate the alignment now.
Check the hide quality on that one. Looks good, looks good. Send it through. We need to increase the pressure on these rollers.
Okay, I'm making the adjustment now.
Much better.
The pressure on the roller 3 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the feed rate now. This batch is coming through perfectly smooth.
Agreed. We can increase the speed slightly.
Check the edges on this one, make sure the heat's at the print right. Looks good, Supervisor. The spots are sharp.
The hydrophobic coating is performing exceptionally well.
Huh? Look at that perfect spherical beading.